Good morning, students. Students, this video is to explain the notice topic of writing section. I have given the statement on the basis of which a notice has been written by me. With the help of this notice, I'll teach you how to write the topic notice. Literary Society of your school has invited articles, essays, etc. for the school magazine. As the Secretary of Literary Society, write a notice for the students of your school to submit their write-ups. Right, at first, you can see that in this statement, the name of the school is not given. So in that case, you should write ABC School, comma, dash city. Right, this is the name and the address of the school. If some name of the school and address is given in the statement, you will use that over here. In the very next line, without leaving a line, you will write the date on the very left side of the box that you have drawn for your answer, and in the center you will in the center of the same line you will write the word notice in capital letters. This is very important, students, that the word notice should be written in capital letters of the same line, right, on which you have written the date on the left hand corner. After this, in the third line, you will write the topic on which the notice has to be written. Write-ups for school magazine, you can write inviting write-ups for the school magazine, and anything like that will solve your purpose, right? So the name of the school and the address, date, word notice in the middle, and date on the left hand side of the same line. You can leave more space in between the date and the word notice, as not much space is left by me, so you can leave more space over here between these two things. Third line will have the topic on which the notice has to be written. So these three lines make the format. In the red ink, I have marked the things that you should take note of. Otherwise, these things are not part of your answer. You need not write these things in your answers. I have just written these things for your help, that you should understand what are they, right? So by leaving a line or by not leaving a line, you can start your notice. This is to inform all the students. In the very first line, you have to mention that for whom the notice is meant. राइट, नोटिस किसके लिए लिखा हुआ है ये आपको पहली ही लाइन में बताना पड़ेगा, दैट दिस इज़ टू इन्फॉर्म ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स. अगर टीचर्स के लिए नोटिस है, कोई ऐसा टॉपिक है कि टीचर्स के लिए कोई नोटिस लगाया गया नोटिस बोर्ड पे, तो दिस इज़ टू इन्फॉर्म ऑल द टीचर्स टीचिंग फ्रॉम दिस क्लास टू दिस क्लास. इस तरह से जिसके लिए भी वो नोटिस लिखा जाता है उसके बारे में फर्स्ट लाइन में हमने बताना है. क्लियर? दिस इज़ टू इन्फॉर्म ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ द स्कूल दैट Literary Club is inviting short stories, articles, essays, etc. for the school magazine. So in the very next line, we will write the purpose of writing the notice. किस पर्पज़ के लिए, या जो टॉपिक यहाँ पे मेंशन किया गया है उसको यहाँ पे हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, राइट? देन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज़ दैट द इंटरेस्टेड स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट send their or submit their articles, write-ups before this. So here we will give the information regarding the place where the thing has to be done, this topic, and the time or the date or anything that is required for the notice will be mentioned over here, right? To whom to submit, to the class in charges. So जिस तरह की भी information required है वो information यहाँ पे दी जाएगी. Then one or two more lines regarding the instructions. The write-ups must not exceed 150 words. So इस तरह की lines आप लिख के notice को end कर सकते हो, right? After this, the formal closure includes the signature of the person who is writing the notice, then his name, and then his designation will be written over here.